Donkeys are not stubborn. They are just incredibly smart and cautious, refusing to do things they think are dangerous. Farmers actually use donkeys as guard dogs for sheep because they hate canines and will aggressively stomp on wolves, coyotes, or stray dogs that get too close. Their loud bray can be heard over nearly 2 miles away, acting as a natural alarm system. Also, a donkey's ears are positioned to hear predators and help cool them down in the heat. If you appreciate these smart protectors, kick that like button and subscribe for more facts.